Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a third brake light assembly on a 2011 Ford F-150. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. First thing we're going to do is grab a Phillips screwdriver, and you have 2 mounting screws. Back these out. Got my own little workbench up here. And then you just peel it back. Sometimes the weather seal will stick to the vehicle, that's okay. You get your 3 lights, You get your third brake light in the center, 2 cargo lights, and the sockets just twist out, snap out. And they have a holder for the harness right in here. So you're just gonna pull that out of the way. And there's your 3 bulbs. And here's your light assembly. Here we have our new light assembly from 1A Auto. You can see the difference, how the seal hasn't been compressed yet. So it's going to make a nice weather-tight seal when it goes back on. Same red reflector in the center, and the 2 cargo lights on the end. So I'm going to line it up, make sure I put it in the right way. Then I can take my bulbs. These bulbs are 9-12 bulbs. They just pull right out of the socket, a 2-prong system, snap right back in. All 3 of them are 9-1-2, 9-12. So you're going to line up those 2 ears, tabs, and turn. Don't forget to line up the harness where it was in this little plastic hook. And now we can reinsert it, line it right up. And you can feel the cushion, the difference, how that cushion is pushing out. So that's a good thing. There's an ear tab right here that goes in that slotted hole. There's one up over here that goes in that slotted hole. There we go. You have to put some pressure on it because that seal is so new. It pushes the lens assembly back out. Yeah, see how quickly it pushes it out?
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.